Good day guys, I was just testing out the Osmo Pocket 3 with the DJI Mic 2, which is upstairs. I can't show to you. And I was also checking the options of using this microphone, which should be that way. And this is the Lark M2. And I'm currently using it right now to talk to you. So I was just testing out the options for the Pocket 3, which microphone sounds good, which microphone sounds bad. And yeah, this is the video I did. Just day-to-day video that I tried to do. At the same time, I just want to tell you one disclaimer is that I don't usually make a script out of my videos. I don't prepare them. I just wing it. I just see how it goes, and this is one of them. Also, I'm not sponsored anyway with these companies. I'm just testing them out, and if they sound good, if they sound bad, I just tell you guys, because that's what I do. I'm not paid by them. I just want to share to you guys, for all of you who's trying to get the best sound out of your gear wirelessly. This is the thing. So check out the video, and also just tell me anything that you think about it. Okay, spoiler alert also. I kind of like this. So yeah, just check out the video. So I'm currently stuck in the city right now. I'm trying to go out. Microphone. So I'm currently stuck in the city right now. I'm trying to go out. I'm here at Queen Street. Elizabeth Street. So like, yeah, I'm heading out. Just came from DigiDirect, just got some gears from them, and yeah, pretty hard traffic. Fuck this. So while I'm waiting traffic, I shouldn't be vlogging, but the thing is, I'll try to check it with my other favorite transmitter for the audio. I have the Lark M2, so we'll try this on this camera. And yeah, this is the DJI microphone, and I just made sure that the low cut filter is off, because by default it has a low cut filter. So make sure of that. That way the sound is gonna be full, not like teeny weeny shit. I'm gonna put out the Lark right now. This is the Lark M2 right now. See how it feels. I can see it's a bit hot. It's peaking a bit. I don't know how to fix it. Let me just try to check if I can fix the gain up here. Okay, I'll get back to you on that, guys. One sec. Okay, apparently put the gain to +6, but it's still a bit peaking right now. Let's see how this goes. Microphone's here. This is the Lark M2, and I love it because it's very light. You can just plug it to a USB-C plug, or if you're using it on your laptop, you can plug it to a USB-C part of your laptop. You could have audio right away. So it's really amazing. And the receiver does not have any power. It takes power from the device. Another plus for it. Yeah, just tell me how it goes. I like this. The thing is, I just didn't like that the plugs can move down there, but should be fine, I reckon. But yeah, I love it that it's so small and it's so light. It does not pull my shirt like this one here. This one pulls my shirt. Yeah. Going back to the DJI, this is the DJI mic. The only thing I like about the DJI mic also is that other than it's 32-bit, it's also directly connected to the camera via Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about any plugs and anything. You just turn it on, and also you can press record using the transmitter. So there's a part in the transmitter you press, then it starts recording. So it's really awesome. I love it. I like the Holy Land, but the thing is, you would need this for the USB-C, and for it's also you can have an Apple one for this, or just for the camera, like a receiver. So that's nice. But yeah, if you're using it for the Osmo Pocket 3, you would need this. So it's going to be a bit annoying if you're like me, who does not want anything fuzzy. So I have to weigh, like if I like the heavy transmitter or the light transmitter, but have this. So I have options. That's fine. Yeah, I don't know. I need to listen to the audio when I get home to like finalize if it's good or if it's not. You guys a bit of context of how it sounds. This is how it sounds with the built-in microphone of the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm not using a transmitter, so yeah. I'm in a car though. It has weird noises around, but this is how it sounds if you don't use the transmitters. So yeah, this would give you a bit idea of how things differ. Anyway, just update. One second. So yeah, I just check on the audio, and I really like the audio from the Holy Land Lark M2, because it does give you two channels, and it really sounds good. I really like it. It's not the best, but I really like it. I listened to the audio from this, and it sounded a bit muffled. And one of the audio signals also, it had two channels, so I thought I was recording on this. When I tried to edit it, tried to tweak the audio, it sounded so good, but I realized it could be the built-in microphone, because it sounded a bit better, and at the same time also it has two channels. Whenever I use this, it only has one channel. And then upon putting up on the editing, I realized that I haven't updated the firmware for this. So now this is the updated firmware, and I should listen how it sounds. I'm just going to put my verdict here, if it's good or not, or here, or whatever. I'm going to put a note maybe here if I really like it. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, so that's the video all about, and then take it with a grain of salt. Whatever is helpful for you, just take it out from the video, and whatever is not helpful, you can decide for yourself what it is and what it is, whatever. Anyway, see you in the next one, guys.